It is.
I need to get a radio. I forgot my
Yeah,
radio.
you better get one there.
Oh yeah, I can tell.
No, that's kind
Yeah. Get it.
Fair is fair. I'm gonna try and not get you in the nuts.
I didn't shoot you that close.
Touche. I'd say about his, man. No. Who won't fucking hit you?
There,
Yeah. You remember that time?
there, got me bottom of the leg.
I was expecting a reaction similar to when I got you at the 1911. I'm sorry, that was just too good. I shot it and I just watched all the dirt disappear from the section. Only doing 0.8 as well, which I'm surprised at. I thought it would do less.
Oh yeah.
Or more even. Ranging decent too. Not like I should be necessarily surprised, I just didn't expect it quite.
I really should have bought my speed loader.
What are you running, buddy? Twos?
Twos. Thanks, mate. Appreciate that.
Just refill it, Rob.
Thanks.
Tilt it down. Now pull it all the way back.
Yeah. I didn't know you could load it like that.
Stupid thing.
Cameron's bringing on speed limit sometimes. Cameron runs the cam down, don't feed him the thing.
Right guys, come right away down for me, right away down here.
Thank you, I really appreciate that.
Very good, mate. It's two. I didn't really enjoy that.
I did like it.
I liked it, but having to run something that has no top.
Something close to that. It's like 10 for 5k, I think.
Look at this janky
I can't remember. They're just cheap.
Not a lot of ammo, I use my sniper rifle. 1,000, 25 quid for 1,000.
Yep, same here.
Got a ring.
You know what? I'm quite happy with that range.
You don't even know her.
Careful. I've only got so many shots in it.
Green grass and it's running out.
1911s, they're known for losing gas quickly in cold weather.
See, I don't have that problem. See, I don't have,
Try make sure that's secure down, yeah?
see, I don't have that problem.
Yeah, I can see.
I'm doing that to this as soon as I can. Getting a drum and then swapping it to HPA.
Yeah. I mean, if you guys want a non-blowback ASG Mark 23, let me know. I'm telling you.
That's what that is.
Yeah.
But it's got Hacker on Design TDC in it.
Alright.
And they can fight any weights, and I'm using 4/8 in it.
Guys, thank you very much. Gather round, boys. Welcome to the first game of the morning. Okay, guys, we're playing a game of domination here on Treanches. Okay, it's named for a very obvious reason. It's a big old rectangle. Okay, you've got that nice long trench running along the side here. You've got another one on the other side, and you've got a spawn trench on each end. Okay, that's what you spawn. Okay. Don't go outside of the rectangle. If you go that way, you're back in the safe zone. If you run behind your spawn trench on the side, you'll be cowed in. If you run down the hill, you end up in a pond, and airsoft doesn't work well on the water. Okay. Very simple objective of this game. In the centre of the field, just over there, you can see that white barrel. Whichever team is touching that for the most amount of time will win the game. Okay. If both teams are touching it, it's contested. You've got to wipe the other team off to start gaining time. Okay. Anyone got any questions about that? How that works? Wonderful. It's semi-auto only. You don't want to swing a trench in full auto. Trust me, it hurts. Okay. So it's going to be semi-only for me, please. Snipers, please remember your MEDs. No DMRs today, but snipers, 30 metres, we will be on you today because it's a nice narrow field. Okay. That's the majority of it. There's going to be unlimited lives. You respawn with your marshal, it gives you a thumbs up. You're good to go again. Okay. Any questions? No. Wonderful. Red team, you're going to be starting down the far end for me. You're going to follow this marshal over there. Follow that marshal over there for me. You can head over to the far end. Not our band, you're going to start this way. We'll be second half. Well, it's almost like we swap sides. Yeah, guys, you want to set up in your trip?
I'm not feeling it down there, to be honest.
Come on, in the hole. Going through the middle is the worst because you have to go up and down all over the place. Yeah, but it's also just a speed run of how to do your knees and back in that way. I mean, it's your fault if you didn't bring boots. That's on you. I'll give it to him. It's fucking light.
Yeah, I'm not going to get an MP9 at the moment, but
I don't know what the fuck this is based on.
that is a clone of the MP9, so they copy like a lot of the cannons and stuff and mags. They should be cross-compatible.
The VMP1.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah. I needed a small gun. All my other ones are fucking
Huge.
giant.
So
None of which have folding
you can
stocks.
find on it, and
Yeah, something I can actually do trenches on without having to be doubled over out of breath half the time because I'm looking around doing that thing.
oh, I'm going to be that all day, so you know. I'm too unfit.
I've got my sniper for everything else. It's just trenches I'm running this. Hey Cam, can I test my new gun? No. He'll let me eventually.
The only place my camera's going to be good for all day.
Have you adjusted the hop on it?
Just about.
Just about.
It's basically off because I'm running 2. Only 1 or 2 shots because it is a mid, it is a low cap, remember?
Okay. Is it gas? Yeah.
Helps if you rack it first.
Well, you could have told me that. How does
Just
your
literally just pull
how
that
does
back.
your racking device work?
Look,
That is odd.
and then that doesn't move, only the internal bolt does.
Stand by! Game on! Come on, I can't read up any more than this.